Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to restart your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Of course, this is the same thread on other Apple Watches out there. It's the same thread because the buttons are on all Apple Watches available. On the Apple Watch Ultra 2, you have on the left side the action button. On the right side, you have digital chrono and you have the button. The button on the bottom. We are going to push this button until we see the shutdown menu. We push and hold. And you now can see here, siren, medical ID, and emergency call. And cancel and the power button. We push the power button and slide to power off. Now the system is shutting down. And after a couple of seconds, we can restart the system. While we perform this, maybe there is a problem that you cannot use your Apple Watch good because there's a little trouble with your operation system. Then this is the first step of troubleshooting. Push and hold until you see the slider or until you see the power button and then slider. And then, of course, you can perform by pushing again for 2 seconds, a little bit, and then you can see the Apple branding. And after this, you perform a reboot. And after a reboot, 95%, this is the solution for your failure props on your Apple Watches out there. If this not fix your prop, go to another video on my channel. Then we have to perform soft reset. And if that's not brings you the solution, we have to hard reset your Apple Watch, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.